Okay, here we are today with the Rebelle Rapid Glow. This is from the Toys R Us exclusive Super Stripes line, as it's pretty plain to see, seeing as it is covered in zebra stripes. But first things first, let's go over what you get with it. Obviously, you get yourself the Rapid Glow Blaster. And what makes it the Rapid Glow are these two things, which is first you get 10 glow-in-the-dark zebra striped darts, so both glow-in-the-dark and zebra striped. And then this special 10 dart glow-in-the-dark technology magazine, which takes 3 AA's in there, and then you have a switch on the bottom, switched on, and that's got some lights down in there, which charges the glow-in-the-dark darts. Works quite well. Unfortunately, I don't have all the lights rigged to a thing where I can just all of a sudden shut it off and show you the glow in the dark. But if you've had any familiar with any of the other Firefly Tech stuff from the N-Strike line, exactly the same, works quite well. They didn't put any Firefly Tech branding on the Rebelle stuff because that's an N-Strike idea. But anyway, going back to our blaster, we have the Rapid Glow. At its heart, this is the Rebelle version of a Retaliator. So except for some obvious differences, one being that it is blaster flowing directly into stock instead of the stock being an attachment, and the stock probably looks a little familiar as it's the same design as the one, or at least very similar to the design on the Rebelle Guardian crossbow. One thing to note color-wise, you've got your white and your zebra stripes, blue for your priming handle, and some other stuff that we'll come back to. But like I said, I don't know how well it's coming out on the camera, but this bit down here is actually a dark chocolate brown instead of black. I was surprised by that at first. All the videos I'd seen, it looked black. All the pictures I'd seen, it looked black, but it really is brown. Doesn't look bad, it's just different, and something to be aware of if you're interested in this. I don't know. If the color really bothers you that much, then I don't know if you could handle the zebra stripes either, but just something to be aware of. Anyway, so got ourselves a tactical rail on the top, got the sling attachment point in the back of the stock, just a regular muzzle, no attachments, because the Rebelle stuff doesn't have any barrel attachments. And so, functionally, how this works is you, load a few darts, get those in there, and for the heck of it, it's not, like I said, you're not going to be able to see, but I've got the glow in the dark on. You pull back your slide, revealing the purple jam door. Just lets you into your blaster. Here we go. You load your magazine, you bring the slide back forward, and then pull the trigger. And fire your glowing zebra stripe dart off at your target. And then to remove the magazine, of course, you, again, bring the slide back, pull on the mag release. There's one on this side and on this side, ambidextrous. Pull back on that, and that releases the magazine. Do that. And because you don't want to leave it with the spring loaded back, get that turned off. There you go. And now, bet you're very eagerly wondering how well does this thing shoot and how well do those glow-in-the-dark zebra darts stand up. So, of course, as always, we have a range test for you to go check out up on the channel. Make sure to head on over and see how this thing performs in the real world. On the box it says 75 feet, like a standard Elite blaster would be, but of course we want to see what that really means, so go check that out. Anyway, there you have it, the Rebelle Rapid Glow. As always, thanks for watching.